morning students. Welcome for the science class of class 7. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. We have almost done with the chapter acid, base and salts. And you have to revise it and I will take a revision in the question answers form. And in the do you know we are getting it acid rain is the topic. What is acid rain beta? Acid rain is a rain containing excess of acid. So as excess of acid, when the rain is first rain when come, that contains lot of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, all the gases it involves. That means all the pollutant airs that are present in our atmosphere are washed off with the rain particles. And they are coming with the rainwater droplets. When they are coming, that rain is known as acid rain. So, the compound which it contains are sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, gases released in air are soluble in water. Yes. What are the pollutant gases that are released in the air are soluble in water. That's why they are coming with the water level. Okay. Now next is sulfur dioxide. When dissolves in rain droplets, then it becomes sulfuric acid. And you know that sulfuric acid is very harmful. Then the nitrogen oxide, when dissolves with rainwater, it gives nitric acid. And again you know that nitric acid is very, very harmful. When carbon dioxide dissolves with the raindrops, it will give carbonic acid. And carbonic acid is also very, very harmful. So these are the compounds or the pollutants what we are getting in the acid rain. Yes, beta. Next is harmful effect of acid rains. Due to this acid rain, what are the harmful effects? It makes the water bodies like pond, river, acid, due to which aquatic animals killed. Yes, beta, due to the rainwater, acid rain, what happened? These aquatic animals, because these acid rains will finally transfer to the water bodies like lakes and ponds, and these acid rains are affect the aquatic animals and the aquatic life, and they will finally destroyed and killed by this acid rain. Next is it makes the soil acidic and unfit for cultivation. In the fields, what happened? That is the second part that we are using fertilizers, acidic and basic fertilizers, but acid rain contains sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and many harmful gases also that creates the soil more acidic. And due to its acidic nature, fertility will be less. So it is harmful for the yield of the crops also. So it damages the crop plants in the field. Of course, it damages the crop plants and the production will be less, and it harms the soil also. The neutrality of the soil is also decreased. It corrodes the buildings, statues and monuments. Corrode means destroyed. Destroyed the buildings, statues and monuments. Why monuments? Like Taj Mahal. As we can take the example of Taj Mahal as it becoming yellow in color. Why? Due to the acid rain, due to the pollutants, due to the harmful gases which are released in our atmosphere which they are roaming. Due to sulfur dioxide, tanning occurs on the marble of Taj Mahal also. So statues also, and you can say buildings also. All are affected by the acid rain. Yes, beta. Now we are going to do the activity that is to study a neutralization reaction. We are going to activity that is given in your book. Yes, we are doing it theoretically only because phenolphthalein is not available at the homes. It is a chemical thing that is available in the labs only. So, things required for this experiment is dilute NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, dilute HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, phenolphthalein indicator, it is colorless, and a dropper to use it. Okay, now I have taken a test tube A. In this A test tube, I have added 5 ml of NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. What I will observe pink color. Then I have taken test tube B. I have in this test tube, same test tube I am using, then I can write A1. Then I am adding a dilute HCl in it. Drop by drop I am adding with the dropper. Then I will find out that the test tubes in liquid turns to colorless after adding the HCl. Okay. After that, to the next test tube, then it will turns to A2. What will happen? Add a drop of dilute NaOH in it. Then the solution become again pink in color. It changes to pink in color again. With doing these tests with the test tubes and experiment, now I can show you the observations. Yes, beta. Now we have done the experiment. Now what is the theory what we will write over here is, we will take the 5 ml of dilute NaOH. In that we will add phenolphthalein as an indicator, and after that we will get pink color, and after that color we are adding again the dilute HCl, and after that we are getting the test tube liquid into colorless solution, and then colorless solutions again changes its color while we are adding dilute NaOH, and it changes to pink color. That means it becomes basic again. So the conclusion says that acid reacts with bases and neutralizes their effect. This is the conclusion of our experiment to study a neutralization reaction. Read this chapter again, beta. In the next lecture, we are going to do the book exercises. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.